Hi there. Today I have brought very rare and unique crochet made daily patterns. They are so lovable and adorable. Patterns are so unique and nice, and they can add in the beauty of your house. They are very rare, but the good thing is you can buy these in a website. They are still available to buy.